In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Confluence. Anchor links let your readers jump directly to a specific section on a page, which is perfect for long documents, FAQs, or release notes. We'll use the built-in heading anchors first, then I'll show you an optional advanced method for custom anchors. Start by opening your Confluence page and clicking Edit. Place your cursor where you want people to land and add a heading there. Any heading level works. Confluence automatically turns headings into linkable anchors behind the scenes, so you don't have to set anything up manually for this method. Next, hover your mouse over the heading you just created. A small link icon appears next to it. Click that icon, and Confluence instantly copies the anchor link to your clipboard. This link points straight to that heading. If you paste it into a note, you'll see it includes the page and a section reference, so it knows exactly where to jump. Before we insert the link, find the spot on your page where you want users to click. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link, like a line in a content section or a friendly jump to details. Clear, descriptive link text helps readers know exactly what to expect. With the text highlighted, click the link button in the editor toolbar. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac. Paste the anchor link you copied earlier into the link field, then press Enter. Confluence will attach that anchor to your selected text. If you're linking within the same page, the jump will stay on the page. If you share the full URL with teammates, it will open the page and jump straight to that section. Quick note in case you need it. There's a link to Confluence at the very top of the description, so if you're setting this up for the first time, you can head there to sign in and follow along in your own space. When you're done placing links, click Publish to save your changes. After publishing, test the link like a reader would. Click it and make sure the page snaps to the exact heading you targeted. If you ever need an anchor where there isn't a heading, you can create a manual one. Click Insert More Content, choose Other Macros, then select Anchor. Give the anchor a short name with no spaces. To link to it, use a hash followed by that name, like #your_anchor_name, matching the name exactly. That's it. You've created clean, reliable anchor links in Confluence using headings and, when needed, custom anchors. If this helped, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical workflow tips. Thanks for watching.